Welcome to our channel. If you want to verify your GoTranscript account, follow these step-by-step instructions to complete the verification process and start working as a transcriptionist. Step 1. Visit GoTranscript.com and click on Sign in the top right corner. Enter your email address and password to access your account. Step 2. After logging in, you'll see your account dashboard. Look for any verification notifications or prompts that appear. Step 3. Navigate to your account settings by clicking on your username or profile icon, then select Account Settings or Profile. Step 4. GoTranscript requires email verification for all accounts. Check the email verification status in your account settings. Step 5. If your email is not verified, click on Resend Verification Email to receive a new verification link in your inbox. Step 6. Open your email and look for a message from GoTranscript with the subject line similar to "Please verify your email address." Step 7. Click on the verification link provided in the email. This will redirect you to GoTranscript and automatically verify your email address. Step 8. To become a verified transcriptionist and access jobs, you must pass GoTranscript's transcription test. Navigate to the Tests or Qualifications section in your account. Step 9. Take the transcription test by transcribing the provided audio file according to GoTranscript's guidelines and style guide. Pay careful attention to formatting, grammar, and accuracy requirements. Step 10. Submit your test and wait for evaluation. GoTranscript's team will review your submission, which typically takes 3 to 7 business days. Step 11. You'll receive an email notification with your test results. If you pass, your account will be fully verified, and you can begin accepting transcription jobs and earning money. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.